My name is Jordan and I do a lot of running. So over the past few years, I've ran a lot of 5Ks, 10Ks, halves, and full marathons. So I've gotten a lot of medals, I've gotten a lot of bibs, but I want to do something with my office area. So I'm thinking of doing bibs going down the middle and then the medals on the side. And I want to try something different. Come along with me as we redesign this little area. So originally I had this medal holder. So it has my name on it, and you kind of just hook the medals into the slots, as you can see on this side. But over the years, I've really filled it up, and it's just gotten to be a lot, and it doesn't really show off the medals that well, and it makes a lot of noise, and you just put it up on the wall, so like right here, and it just doesn't look that aesthetically pleasing anymore. So I got something off of Walmart, and I think we're gonna try that. I got these individual medal holders off of walmart.com. I can link it in the description down below. But essentially, it's got this magnet that you stick it on, and you just wrap the medal through these pieces. And once it's on there, it's supposed to just display the medal, so you know, the goods that everybody wants to see. And on the back, it's got 3M double-coated tape. So you just take it off and you can just stick it on a wall. I think I'm gonna stick it on some frames just to make it easier to move in the future, so it's not pulling off the wall and everything. But I'm not a fan of this color so much, just the plain wood look. And everything in my office is black, so I picked up this spray paint. So Krylon Fusion all-in-one primer and paint. It's a matte black color, and I'm gonna spray these things with it and see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out well. Fingers crossed.
We grow, we change, but nothing ever stays the same, stays the same. And my heart still stops every time I see your face. We'll be young forever. Every time I see you, I just wanna be you. All the time I need you, I can never leave you. Keep it like a secret, I can never forget you. We'll be young forever. Magic moving through your heart, you're a mystery, baby. With my heart being racing, we got something we got more than we imagine. With patience, we'll be young forever.
And with that, the project is complete. This is the final product. Originally, I was gonna put the bibs down the middle and center it between the two frames, but after kind of messing around with it and so forth, I thought that the bibs would look cooler in the frame as the background for the medals, and I think it came out pretty well. I lost a bunch of bibs. I don't know where they're at, so that's why it's a little bit empty in some certain sections, but you know, in due time, we're gonna run more races, we'll get more bibs, so we'll fill it up. Thanks for coming along for my little office project to display my medals and my bibs. I wanted to do something a little different to present them because, you know, after a race, a lot of times we either toss them in a drawer, they get put into a cabinet or a bag, or even tossed in the trash. And at the end of the day, they're a really good reminder of what happens when you put in all that hard work, you know, those long training runs, those tempo workouts, those early mornings, those late nights of grinding. And I just wanted to do something to display them and have that reminder as I go forward in my next races. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like it, and I'll see you in the next one.